Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Irondale local and long-distance movers near me. Choosing a reliable and cheap Irondale moving company is a difficult task for most people. You can choose 3 movers to fulfill your needs efficiently and affordably. Our reputation as a cheap and reliable mover is unsurpassed. We offer local as well as long-distance moving services to accommodate the needs of numerous customers. With advanced methods and a skilled workforce, we guarantee the best moving experience at an affordable price. Being responsible long-distance movers, we offer all the choices you need, including packing services. Do you want to save your time and energy? You can use our packing services to stay relaxed. Moving supplies. Whether you decide to do the packing yourself or want us to get the job done, you can expect us to offer the best moving supplies to ensure safe transportation. An on-time move. Our experts will arrive on schedule and get the job done on time. Upfront pricing. We will let you know the moving price in advance. This upfront pricing method keeps everything transparent, licensed, and insured. All our movers are insured and licensed professionals. Your possessions will be in the safest hands. If you are searching for the most reliable and responsible long-distance movers in Irondale, you can contact us. We offer a safe, rewarding, and enjoyable moving experience to our customers. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Irondale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.